We all know the ugly line you see when you crochet in the round, the starting chains and the slip stitch together. I'm going to teach you a way to make this line almost invisible. We do that with a chainless starting stitch and a seamless join. So, wanna learn? Grab your yarn, your crochet hook, a stitch marker, and let's get started. Okay, to make a chainless double crochet, you pull up a loop a bit longer than a double crochet. Normally you yarn over, but this time we yarn over with our loop. So hold your loop on your hook with your finger, pinch it down and yarn over, and hold your yarn. So don't let go, because otherwise it unwinds. Insert your hook in the first stitch, so this is the stitch where your yarn comes out. So in this stitch you insert, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, so 2 loops left, yarn over and pull through these 2 loops on your hook. Okay, place your stitch marker in this stitch, so it's easier to find when your round is completed. So this is your first chainless double crochet. So just make double crochet stitches all the way around, and I'll meet you back when I'm at the end of this round so I can show you how to make a seamless join. Okay, I finished my round of double crochets and now it's time to connect. And normally you would insert your hook and make a slip stitch, but this time we make a joinless seam. A seamless join. We make a seamless join. So pull up a loop, remove your hook, bring your yarn to the back, insert your hook from the back to the front through your chainless double crochet, so you can remove your stitch marker. Okay, so your hook is through, then grab your loop, loop it around your hook and grab the loop and pull through. So you now made an invisible join. Okay, let's do that again. Pull up a loop a little bit longer than the double crochet, yarn over this loop, hold this with your finger, because when you let go your loop will be gone as well. So pull up a loop, hold this loop with your finger, yarn over, insert in the same loop as where your yarn comes out, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. You made your second chainless double crochet. Put in a stitch marker in the loops so you know where to join in the end of this round. So just move on, repeat all the way around, just making double crochet in every stitch across, and then I'll meet you back when I am at the end of this round. Okay, I'm at the end of my round again, so we need to make a seamless join. So pull up a loop, remove your hook, place your yarn behind the stitch, insert from the back to the front through the starting loops, remove your stitch marker, grab the loop around your hook and pull through, and you make you made another seamless join. So for the half double crochet chainless starting stitch, you pull up a loop a bit longer than a half double crochet. We take the stitch marker and put this around your loop. Then take the stitch marker and hold this against your hook, yarn over, and hold this stitch marker so it doesn't unwind. Then insert in the first stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops on your hook without letting go of the stitch marker. Okay, make sure your stitch marker stays on your right. If you are right-handed, if you're left-handed, you should hold it on your left. But in my case, I make sure it stays on the right, so my stitches stays correct. So yarn over and just make your circle of half double crochets, and then I'll meet you back when I'm at the end of this round to show you how to join this half double crochet round. I am at the end of my round, so we need to join again. So pull up a loop, remove your hook, insert your hook from the back to the front through the first a stitch with a stitch marker. Then you can remove your stitch marker. Okay, take your loop around your hook and pull it through. So, and you see no start and no ending. Okay, one more time the half double crochet starting stitch. So pull up a loop a little bit longer than a half double crochet. Take your stitch marker and place it around your loop. Then hold the stitch marker against your hook, yarn over, and insert your hook in the first stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And then you can let go of your stitch marker, and it's in your first stitch. So make sure your stitch marker stays on the right. When you work your next stitch, so your starting stitch looks like a real half double crochet. So work up half double crochet stitches until the end of this round, and I'll meet you back when I'm at the end. So at the end of my round again, so pull up a loop, insert your hook from the back to the front through the stitch with the stitch marker, remove the stitch marker, grab your loop, put it around your hook, and pull the loop through the stitch. And your join is finished. So, if you liked this tutorial and you found this one helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification bell. Don't forget to check out my blog. You can find the free patterns there. And if you want more tutorials like this, let me know in the comments down below. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.